How to set up speed dial on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set up speed dial on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is there is no actual option to add a speed dial on iPhone, but the only thing that you can do is you can add people to your favorites section. Now, if you add people to your favorites, all you need to do is open up your phone's app and just one tap and then you can call them. So yeah, that is a way, that is an alternative to your speed dial. So simply go to the favorites section on your phone and tap on this plus icon to add whomever you want. Now simply add whomever you want. You can simply choose call for them, you can choose mobile, and there you go, you have just added them in your favorites. Now if you're on your keypad, contacts, wherever, simply go to your favorites, just tap on the contact and you can call them quickly. And yeah, that is basically it guys. That is how you can set up speed dial on iPhone, and that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.